It's May the 9th, 2017, and Yahoo Finance has recently changed the way it does its portfolio tracking system. So what I'm going to do is, after looking at it a whole bunch, I found that I can get back almost everything that I used to have in the old system. There are some things that you can't get back. But let me kind of just run through how some of the things work. Let's say we're going to create a new portfolio. And what we're going to do is we're going to, just pick two stocks, Google and GoPro. And what we want to do is we want to say 100 shares of each one. And we're going to say we bought them on January the 1st, 2017. And, we're going to track them. So what you do is you hit Create New Portfolio. And the portfolio name, I'm just going to say, I'm going to say kill me one because I'm not going to save it. And it says, okay, it says you don't have anything. What do you want to add? So we're going to say add symbol. And so let's go GOOGL. So there's Google. And then we're going to say, how about GoPro? GPRO. GoPro. Okay, so now we have two stocks there. So we're done with this, so we just hit the X button here, all right? And so now, they've got all this garbage out here that I don't like at all. But how we go about setting the value of the shares and all. Well, what we do is we simply go to My Holdings. You click on My Holdings. And then they have this thing that says Add Lot. So you click on Add Lot. And then what you do is you say, let's say we bought 100 shares. And the price, let's see, the price on January the 1st was $8.71. $71. And when did you buy it? Well, I bought it on January the 2nd, I guess. And then we go down to Google, and we do an add lot on Google. And let's see, add lot Google. All right. So what we do is we say we bought 100 shares. And the cost was $792.45. $792.45. And when did you buy it? Well, we bought it on January the 2nd. Okay. So now as soon as you type this information in, it's automatically in there. In other words, there is no save button that you have to hit or something like that. So now the other problem that we have is, I don't know about you, but I just don't like their basic layouts. And what I do is I create my own layout. And what I used to like to do is, here I'm going to go to My View. All right, My View. And this is what I like to do. I'll have the list price. I'll have the number of shares. I'll have the dollar amount of the change of today, the percentage change. And then, so the full daily change, 100 times 0.02 is $2. And then the lot value, which is the value of all the shares, and the volume of today, and then the cost basis, and then then you have the total change since January the 1st, and then you have the percentage change. Okay, and then I stuck in the PE and the EPS. I mean, you can put dividends in here if you want to too. So the question is, how do you come up with this view? Well, it's pretty simple. You click on My View, and when you first do that, there is no view, so they're going to ask you to create one. And if you've already created one, like I have, you go to Edit View, okay? And then they have all of the columns here, all right? So you click off all the columns that you want, and I'm showing you the ones that I've done. And then you go over here, and you have the order of the columns. So, you have all the order here, all right? And so, you can put in dividends if you want to, whatever you want to do. All right, so then you save, and then your view will look just like My View. So, the things that I wasn't able to save that I really liked in the old system was that they had a text column where I could write notes about the company and all. But this does you are able, using these tools, to get back most of what you used to have. And if you go to summary here, and you don't like the one of the things that are in here, you can click on it, and there's the delete symbol, and so you can kill the whatever stock it is that you put in there. So that's a very quick, short view of this new system. There are a lot of things that I wish they would have saved, like a summary down at the bottom here. But you can get back most of the functionality that the old system used to have. So that's what the story is. Thank you for watching.